We are now at hive 3. We're going to just give them a little bit of food. Oh my gosh. Oh, it was stuck down, but still, that box, this hive's got a lot of weight to it.
Got a lot of bees spilling it.
Looks like they have a few up at the top cover.
One or two.
They're just chilling out up here.
No beetles?
I don't see any beetles either. These ladies are a little defensive.
Son of a biscuit.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
You get stung?
I'm not telling.
Hey, don't go down in there.
Bit sorry about the camera angle. Ouch. Alright. I had to put my hood on.
This hive has really surprised me.
Me too. I haven't got stung with this one yet.
I don't even know which one stung me before. They're definitely defensive.
Good. Attack all intruders.
They're just saying we want to be left alone, don't touch our food. But what they are not realizing, we are giving them more food. I'm spilling it everywhere, but I'm giving them more. There's so many bees on this cover, can't find a good place to grab them. Or grab it without grabbing them.
Huh, I can't get me. Nice try. Son of a biscuit.
So, this one has definitely been the most aggressive one so far.
Uh-huh.
And when you walked up, you thought they was a dead out.
I did. And that'll learn me.
So that will be it for this hive.
Yeah. Till next time, God bless.